We're gonna kind of pull the foot, hold to the table, and just, good.
Why would we do an adjustment to the ankle?
We would adjust the ankle if there is a little bit of immobility, if range of motion is not the greatest. Sometimes post ankle sprain, when the inflammation has died down, there's still a lot of stiffness in the joint because it's trying to protect it. So with this, we're gonna kind of pull the foot, hold to the table, and just, good. Which then brings some more mobility into that ankle. Gives you some better push off too when you're running.